This is the happiest day of my life. I'd like to thank all the little people out there. I'm not going to, though, because I did it all myself.
So conceited.
I really deserve this.
You're close.
This will be on Facebook tomorrow.
You may regret this down the road.
Did everybody get a picture of our group together?
Lori, sit by me. We're playing apples to apples.
I don't play apples.
You play apples to apples.
I don't
You do
get
now.
it.
Woody, come on.
Let's play guess.
I need Kelly to sign a paper that she's not going to yell at me.
I